Hello YouTube family. Today I'm going to talk about how to get traffic to your primary business and etc. Before we get into this video, like, share, and subscribe, and let's get into the video. Now, here are the ways to get traffic to your primary business. One is do organic traffic, which is Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. You have to do content and post value and education posts to get traffic to your primary business, and you have to build trust. This is a long-term way of building your audience. Do the other way I'm about to mention in a few seconds. So this is the other way of getting traffic. Now the second way is do paid traffic. That is do Facebook ads, Google ads, TikTok ads, and solar ads. These are fast traffic methods, but they do have the cons. And the cons is with the fast traffic is you can't waste your budget, you can't waste money if you don't know how to do it the right way. Secondly, if you're using Facebook ads and you don't get it right, they will shut down your ad account. So that's the con part about that. Now the pros with that one is you get faster results and you get leads, and it will help build your email list if you decide to go that route. And you can also do that with free traffic as well. So that's the pros and cons with the fast traffic. Now here are the pros and cons of the free traffic. Free traffic is more trust build, long term, and etc. Now the cons is it can be slow. You know, any traffic source could be slow, but with the free route I just mentioned, it can be slow. It could be like I'm posting content and nobody's seeing it. I get that feeling because I've been doing it, but you have to stay consistently and don't give up. You know, if you give up, then you're not gonna go nowhere. You're just gonna keep hitting failure buttons, and that's not something you do. Or you got to come up with a new strategy, and that's not something you should also do. But anyways, that is my take on between these two methods I just mentioned. Now, if I had to choose, it has depends on the circumstances. If I want to go pay traffic, I might have to use a branded funnel and all that everybody keep mentioning, which is I haven't tested, but I will eventually. And the free route is probably the best one. Not really the best one, but it's kind of in between because you're not wasting money and you just putting your time. You know, you don't do it, you just waste time. You're not wasting money. So unlike the paid traffic route, but that is my opinion on that, and etc. This is just me giving my opinion on things and also telling you about how to get traffic and etc. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Let's stay motivated and focused, and happy Friday and happy weekend everyone. So take care and let's go.